What's up everybody, welcome to We Do Tech. So today I'm going to do a review of the Redragon Vara mechanical keyboard. First off, the Vara comes in a few different models. I have the standard K551 model with red backlights. But you do get one with full RGB and another one with 6 different backlight colors. Okay, so just some quick information about the Vara K551. It's retailing for $47, has custom Redragon switches and has red LED backlighting. Inside the box you get the manual and the keycap puller, and that's pretty much it. But anyway, the Vara is made from metal and ABS plastic, which makes it feel very sturdy and makes it able to take a beating. The compact form factor gives a nice neat look as well and doesn't take up a lot of space on your desk. The mechanical switches are custom ones from Redragon. They say it's equivalent to Cherry MX green switches, but I found it was a bit closer to Cherry MX blues. The switches has a short actuation point but needs a bit more pressure to press. The switches has a bit louder click to them as well, so if you don't like loud mechanical keys, you should probably not go for this one or just use headphones. You are also able to remove the keycaps with the keycap puller to clean or replace the keycaps. These custom switches were designed to fit any Cherry MX keycaps, so you can just go buy some additional keycaps and it'll fit on the Vara keyboard. Looking underneath the keyboard, you get the 2 front flip out keyboard feet with nice big rubber grips, and at the bottom you get another 2 rubber grips. This grip does a very good job of keeping the keyboard in place, so you don't actually move it while gaming. Moving on, the cable is a non-braided 1.8 meter or 5.9 feet cable with a gold-plated USB connector. The Vara has 10 levels of brightness for its red LED backlight. You can adjust the brightness by pressing the FN with the equals or minus keys. You are also able to turn off the backlight by pressing the FN key with the scroll lock key. The Vara also has a breathing effect that will breathe in and out of the red LED. You can do this by pressing the FN key with the home key. With that, you are also able to adjust the breathing speed by pressing the FN key with the equals or minus key again. But unfortunately, that's all for the LED effects of the Vara K551. At the top of the Vara you get the F1 to F12 keys that also double function as your media keys. You can use the media keys while pressing the FN key plus any one of the 12 F keys. Quickly going through the media keys, F1 is to open up your media application, F2 is for volume down, F3 is for volume up, F4 is for mute, F5 is to stop, F6 is for previous, F7 is for play or pause, F8 is for next, F9 is to open up your email application, F10 is to open up your web browser, F11 is to lock the entire keyboard, and F12 is to open up the calculator. Okay, now for the important parts of the keyboard. How is it to game on? Well, like all mechanical keyboards, it's a lot better than the normal membrane keyboards. The keys feels very precise and immediate. You have to add a bit more pressure to the keys, but you luckily get used to it after a while. Same with the loud switches. While gaming I didn't even hear the switches anymore. So the Vara is very nice for gaming, but how about for everyday work? Well, this is where the Vara struggles for me a bit. Because the keys requires a bit more pressure to press, I sometimes don't press it hard enough. But this is more a fault on my side because I'm not used to these type of switches. But if you do like MX blues or greens, then the Vara will work very nicely for you. Okay, so after using the Vara for a while now, what do I think? What's the good and bad aspects about the keyboard? Well, the good ones are it comes in a low price and has a strong build quality. And for the bad ones, it's actually more personal stuff. The keyboard doesn't really have any big flaws to it. But what I didn't like was that it didn't have a USB pass-through, lack of LEDs effects, and the loud switches. So again, these are only personal things I didn't like. It's not a really big issues, and it may differ from person to person. Okay, so that's my review of the Redragon Vara mechanical keyboard. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Also, if you have a product you want me to review, please let me know down in the comments. I'll try to get my hands on the product to do a review. Also, check out my Instagram page, channel, whatever, Facebook as well. I'll leave a link in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, happy Christmas everybody. It's almost New Year. Probably gonna post this on the 31st, whatever. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. Also enjoy the New Year's, and then I'll talk to you next time. Cheers guys.